guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look, but before I jump into this look, I want to give you guys details on this makeup look. So I am wearing the B.Marcelle beauty palette, and this is the Spina Beautiful palette. It is to bring awareness to spina bifida, and this is by my girl Brittany. I will put the link below if you're interested in this palette. This palette is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Look at this. Look at these colors. You got your fall colors right here. You got your oranges, your reds, your yellows, your dark purple, your gold. This, and then they're so creamy and buttery and pigmented. Like, she really, I thought I loved the first palette, but this might be my favorite right now. But like I said, I will put the link below. Also, I have some great news I would like to share with you guys. So after I'm done showing y'all this lippy I'm wearing, then we gonna get into that. But anyway, the lippy I'm wearing is also by B.Marcelle, and y'all, girl outdid herself, because look, it doesn't transfer. Like, you know when you out and you taking your sip and then your whole lips come off on your cup? You ain't gotta worry about that. These lips ain't going nowhere, baby. So I'm very shocked, and it smells so good too. It smells like grape. But enough with that, guys. Oh, let me show y'all the cute little card that came in there. This is her and her son, and it's for a very good cause, y'all. So check my girl out. Also, genre, I am officially a B.Marcelle doll. I am on the PR list. This is my first PR, so I'm super excited, guys. And it just says, congratulations, you're a B.Marcelle doll, part of the PR squad. So anyway, y'all, let's jump into this beat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you after this beat down. But no, I'll see you guys.